In the labyrinth of life, we often carry unseen burdens. One such burden is the TB bacillus, lurking within us, waiting for our immunity to falter. It's a silent invader, one that can be triggered by our genetic predisposition, weakened immunity, old age, or the innocence of childhood. In India, the journey from the emergence of TB to its treatment spans a staggering 45 days, primarily due to a lack of awareness. Any cough, fever, weight loss, or decreased appetite lasting more than 14 days could potentially be TB. In the bustling city of Mumbai, the number of patients with multi-drug-resistant tuberculosis is on the rise due to improper counseling, irrelevant treatment regimens, and a lack of knowledge on how to handle the disease. However, there's hope. The government is fighting back with the End TB strategy, so remember, don't ignore TB. If you suspect it, seek the advice of a specialist, because TB can affect almost every part of the human body. Stay informed, stay healthy, because knowledge is the first step in the battle against TB.